What's happening, everybody? It's your boy Wanderlust Woman, back again for another video. And today I'm actually coming to you from the future, the day after the events that have occurred at Paradise Cove in BFE, Colorado. It was about 3 hours away, west of Colorado Springs, so that's southwest of Denver. We left in the morning really early, maybe around like 7:30 a.m. And we had an awesome day there. It's someplace I've always wanted to go, just because I've always wanted to go cliff jumping in Colorado. I haven't done anything like that before. The craziest thing I've done along those lines is skydiving and jumping off of the quarry back in my kind of hometown area. So I hope you enjoy the footage. It was a beautiful day and lots of people were there to get some adrenaline going and to, I guess, see what they're really made out of deep down. Some people took like 10 minutes to jump. Some people were jumping like 5 times as high as other people. Your boy was somewhere right in the middle because as a first timer, I got nobody to impress but me. So, hope you like the video. Okay. Alrighty. Is this it? Where's the lower one? Oh, you climbed down, huh? Yeah. We're starting small. Well, I'm starting small at least.
Just slide down.
Okay.
Evan, if I do this, will you take me up dinner?
Where do you guys usually aim? Just right in the middle?
Yeah, I go for the darkest spot. Yeah, go for the darkest spot.
The dark? Okay. That makes sense.
You better not jump from there. You look scared. Don't forget to grab it.
Oh, good shit, man. Uh-oh, a wild babe's coming out of the wilderness. You can do it. You just don't think about it and just jump straight. It's just in your head. You know what it looks like from down there.
I'll jump with you. Okay.
You can do it, Vanessa. You're fine. Come on, big sis. Big sis, B. That's legit like twice as high as you're jumping, I promise. It's just in your head. Yeah, you can do it! Just do it! Just do it! Yeah! That's character growth right there. You're next, Vanessa. Don't take as long as she did. Woo!
Oh.
What's good? We're making new friends out here at, what is it called, Paradise Cove? Paradise Cove. And as you can see, this is a cool little place tucked away west of Colorado Springs. And it's a pretty popular cliff jumping spot. So we actually just jumped. She jumped once, I jumped twice. How was your experience, Vanessa?
Freaking hurt.
And why is that?
Because I landed on my side butt.
She landed on her side butt. She tried to do a cannonball, but I think towards the end she thought she was going to land in a recliner or something. But it's a good time. I just landed on my feet like a smart boy. Like the video if you like the damn video. Comment what you think. If you would have the guts to do this yourself. It looks a lot smaller than it is. And subscribe to my channel. Peace. Say hi to Magic.
No.